China, a country known to cross boundaries when it comes to technology and innovation, has introduced a Star Wars weapon, and this could be bad news for humankind. This decision China has made is a leap of faith by transforming fiction into reality. Chinese military experts have revealed the creation of a futuristic weapon that might revolutionize contemporary warfare, drawing inspiration from the energy shields of Star Wars. According to a team of researchers from China's leading military technology research institute, the country is creating a new defensive device that resembles a science fiction energy shield. Although the details about this new development are not 100% exposed, from the information that we have, the goal is to protect against various threats, including radiation attacks, leading to significant global concerns. The technology underpinning China's energy shield in Star Wars, similar to the futuristic technologies depicted in the Star Trek or Star Wars film series, this invisible veil of defense, made of electrically charged ions, is prepared to defend China's drones, missiles, and other similar weapons against powerful microwave attacks. The energy shield instantly activates when an attacker's radiation calls, and its defenses get stronger with each increasingly intense assault. Researchers and science developers have worked on this initiative for years, now deriving different scientific fields such as particle physics and quantum mechanics. The goal is to build something adaptable enough to be defensive and deployable in different situations, be it frontline protection or defending the infrastructure. This is a big deal because this type of technology will literally reshape the military globally. Despite the innovation associated with this development, it has been created with confidence and fear. This is because even though the weapon is there to protect assets against radiation threats and high-energy weaponry, there are people who worry about the ethics related to this development, and if the encouragement to develop such technologies will not lead to aggressive technologies in future. Possible effects on international military operations and security. If China succeeds in this implementation, it will cause a wave of military developments throughout the world by stimulating interest in other military organizations to take the same route, or China could potentially and most likely be the one to export these weapons to countries that lack the resources to develop them. A new arms race centered on energy-based defense and offensive technologies might be sparked if other nations feel pressured to pursue comparable developments. Another effect on international military operations is that it will cause global economic instability, as nations will feel obliged to compete and compare by creating sophisticated and powerful weapons. Nations that fall behind could be strategically disadvantaged, which could change global alliances and conflicts. Or nations might want to test how powerful their weapons are and cause war between nations. Environmental, human, and ethical issues with energy shield technology. The development of an energy-based shield presents a number of moral and ecological issues. First off, the energy and resources needed to build and maintain such a shield may be enormous, raising questions about the potential effects on the environment. Such high-energy fields may be resource-intensive to generate, maintain, and test, which could worsen the environment. When it comes to humankind, this development poses a threat to the lives of people. In whatever way these weapons affect the environment, they will affect the people living within that environment. Therefore, nations need to adhere to the rules and regulations put in place and follow ethical expectations in order to avoid losing lives, all because of a technological development that researchers are showing off. The possible repercussions of these shields can give rise to ethical concerns. Is it wise to develop such potent technology at the risk of starting an arms race? Another worry is the possibility of collateral harm if these shields are used in inhabited regions. If not adequately regulated, radiation or electromagnetic waves from plasma-based energy barriers could disrupt electronic equipment or even human health.